To start the process, connect your phone to the device using Bluetooth. Click on the icon in the top right corner. Follow the instructions on the screen. Perform VIN decoding by pressing on the VIN decoding area. Wait for the decoding to be completed. It may take several seconds until VIN decoding is completed. Once completed, verify the correct data of your vehicle. Click on OK to confirm. Once confirmed, click on Special Function. Choose Key Fob Learn Clear. Read the existing key fob information. There are 3 key fobs learned into this vehicle at the moment. You can write a new set or read the configuration. If you have any further questions, please head down to fobmod.com/cs.